In astrophysics, a white hole is a hypothetical celestial object that is the opposite of a black hole. While a black hole is a region of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape it, a white hole is a region from which nothing can enter. In other words, a white hole is a region where matter and energy can only escape and never enter. This concept of a white hole was first proposed by the physicist John Wheeler in 1957, and since then, it has been the subject of much speculation and debate. Properties of white holes. White holes are purely hypothetical objects, and there is no observational evidence for their existence. However, based on theoretical considerations, physicists have been able to determine some of the properties of white holes. 1. No matter can enter a white hole. The most fundamental property of a white hole is that no matter or radiation can enter it. The event horizon of a white hole acts as a one-way membrane, allowing matter and energy to escape but preventing anything from entering. 1. White holes have a repulsive gravitational field. The gravitational field of a white hole is repulsive, meaning that objects that approach a white hole will be pushed away from it. This is the opposite of the gravitational field of a black hole, which is attractive and pulls objects towards it. 1. White holes have a finite lifespan. According to the laws of thermodynamics, a white hole cannot exist indefinitely. Instead, it has a finite lifespan, after which it will eventually evaporate and disappear. 1. White holes violate the second law of thermodynamics. The second law of thermodynamics states that the entropy of a closed system will always increase over time. However, a white hole violates this law by having zero entropy, which means that it cannot exist in a closed system. 1. White holes may be connected to black holes. Some physicists have suggested that white holes and black holes may be connected in a way that is similar to the way that positive and negative charges are connected in an electrical circuit. This connection is known as a wormhole, and it allows matter and energy to travel between the two objects. Possible existence of white holes. Despite the lack of observational evidence for white holes, some physicists believe that they may exist in our universe. 1. Connection to the Big Bang. One theory suggests that white holes may have been created during the Big Bang, which was the event that marked the beginning of our universe. According to this theory, the Big Bang created a black hole that eventually became a white hole, from which matter and energy could escape into our universe. 1. Connection to dark matter. Another theory suggests that white holes may be connected to dark matter, which is a mysterious substance that makes up around 27% of the universe. According to this theory, white holes could be portals through which dark matter enters our universe. 1. Detection through gravitational waves. One way that white holes could potentially be detected is through gravitational waves, which are ripples in space-time caused by the movement of massive objects. If a white hole were to collide with a black hole, it could create a unique gravitational wave signature that could be detected by gravitational wave observatories. White holes are hypothetical objects that have captured the imagination of physicists and the public alike. While there is no observational evidence for their existence, they remain a subject of intense study and speculation. If white holes do exist, they could have profound implications for our understanding of the universe and the laws of physics. Like, share and subscribe.